Okay, welcome back. In the last video, we added some custom text to the checkout button when someone registers for our free membership. So if I go back into the checkout page, we've then got this custom button text here. Okay, so it's just adding a little bit more, something more specific for the page that we are adding in. So we're asking people to create their free member profile. The next thing I want to do, or the last thing I want to do within this series, is customize this login logout process. And the first thing I'm going to do is, if someone's logged in, we can actually add a welcome message. So I'm just going to log in now. And you'll see that it's just saying, welcome, you're now logged in. What I might want to do is say, welcome back. Click here to go to your member profile, or click here to go to this free course. Okay, so let's, I'm just going to grab this link, and I'm now going to go back into the admin area. Now let's go to the pages, and we're going to customize the login page. Now we have this login form shortcode, and we can add some arguments or some parameters to this. Now if someone is, when they come to the page and they log in, we can add something called welcome underscore text. And we put in some single quotes here, and we can actually add some welcome text here. So we can put in welcome back. And we can use HTML tags here, so we can use a line break, and then we can put in something like click here to go to the free course. Okay, and we can then use the anchor tag to redirect them, and we can put in the link that they need to go to. So let's update that, and we'll go back to our free membership site once that's updated. Okay, so that's updated now. Let's go back to our test site, or to the test area. And we've logged in as our member, and you've seen now that the welcome message has just changed. And you'll see that they've got this parameter here that just says just logged in equals true. So if we were to now go away and come back to the login logout page, it's now going to say something else. So now we need to customize what it says when they come back to this login area. So to do that, we're going to go back into the admin, and we can add a second parameter, and it's logged underscore in underscore text. And we put in the equals, and we put in single quotes. Now the reason why I'm using single quotes this time is because we're adding double quotes within our anchor tag. Okay, so I'm just trying to keep my HTML code separate from the short code parameter, because that will create a little bit of confusion. So that's why I'm using the single quotes in this instance. Now we can add in another link. So we can put in you are already logged in, and we can add a break, and then we can add in our anchor tag again. Okay, so let's save that, and let's go back to our site and refresh the page. I was already there. Let's refresh the page. Okay, so there we go. So it's redirecting us back to the course. All right, so that's how you can customize the login area, just to make it a little bit more specific for your members, and to give them a little bit of a a better user experience, I guess you would say. So what I'm going to do is leave this video here, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to redirect a user when they log in to the membership site, so we can redirect them into a specific area. All right, so I'll leave this video here, and I'll see you in the very next video. Okay, bye.